we view these actions as resistance and roadblocks to legitimate investigative committees' functions in the legislature, to include legislative censure from the attorneys. And I feel that this is a serious betrayal of the Constitution.
One of the CNMI Office of the Governor's Attorneys objects to a subpoena by the CNMI Legislative Committee that requests to hear testimony from Francis de la Cruz, one of Governor Ralph Torres' executive assistants, regarding his expenditures. Garber, who appeared at Wednesday's hearing virtually from the mainland, says senior aides in the executive branch are immune. He cites memos from the Department of Justice under the Trump and Obama administrations.
One solution here could be, it sounds like the committee is looking for some fundamental information about, the office's travel policies and how they're executed. I'd obviously have to, talk to the relevant players in the governor's office about, concrete proposals. But I'll tell you, in other jurisdictions, the path that has been adopted is to, answer written questions from the committee under a circumstance where the witness has time to consider them, think about them, get a comprehensive answer together, get that to the committee, and then if there are still questions, maybe there's testimony. There are all sorts of potential ways forward.
Still, the scope of the executive aide's role that would justify that reasoning is uncertain to both sides of the investigation. Legislators emphasize that Garber, who is being paid by the CNMI government, does not represent de la Cruz, the executive assistant.
Is the governor directing Ms. de la Cruz not to appear to testify?
I do represent Ms. de la Cruz, and I have been preparing with her for this hearing. And I can tell the committee that equivocally she has never gotten instructions from the governor not to appear here and not to testify.
Thomas Manglona for KUAM News on Saipan.